Okay guys, let's give you this lesson for today so you don't get frustrated. You're in Filmora, you don't know how to mess with your audio. You pull your video down to that first line.
Oh, and here's my top.
You don't like how it sounds.
My first.
It's too low, it's too loud, you just want to mess with it. So, you go and right click on it and you see all these options. And you're like, what? And nothing's really doing anything. And you're like, what? What? And you're clicking on all these options. Well, what you're missing is you see that? You're like, I can't do anything with it. You've got to click the audio detach. You've got to get your track detached, and you can only do it in the first line. Now, here's the other trick. You click on it once and you right click thinking, aha, and you can't get it. Well, it doesn't work that way. You got to double click on it. Now you've got the volume menu.
Oh, and here's my top.
You can put the volume up,
My first.
put the volume down,
Oldest child.
you change your pitch.
Animal my head. That's like, he threw up in my mouth. Oh my goodness, formula everywhere. And my mouth was wide open because I was doing the big Gucci.
Really happened.
And that's all that you're missing. Now, the one other thing that you could do, you could actually pull it into the first line, export it out as an MP3 file that you could, use in some other editing software that you might have. That is the other option. But basically, all you're missing is pull it in the first line, audio detach it, double click it, and that pulls up the volume mixer. Hope that helps.